Graphite is a remedy from the carbon group, also known as a black lead. It's a primary action on skin remedy, but has a deep action on minds and the various system. Firstly, we see the constitution. So, a climatic remedy, just an pulsatilla, is often used for the girls at puberty. Graphites is a remedy for women during the climatic periods like menopause, but typically around the 45 to 50 years of age. Physically, they are the suit women who are the obese and the obese like inclined to gain weight and have the history of habitual constipation and the dilemmas. This is the characteristic symptoms. Okay, now see the mentals. The patient characterized by the being timid, fearful, and the hesitate. There are the some points of the mental generals indecisive, like they are the unable to decide anything. It's very emotionally. Music makes her weep. Death. She constantly thinks about her death. Restlessness and the child behavior, like uh, the childs are impudent, like disrespectful, will not listen and the laugh with scolded. Now let's see the physical generals. Thermally state they are the chilly patient, easily catch colds and the sensitive to the draft of air. Head sensation of cobweb on the foreheads, which she is constantly want to the brush off with a hard object. Now let's see the key symptoms by the system. System is ear. A key symptoms is that the patient hears better when there is a noise, such as a riding in carriage or car or during the rumbling sound. Ears, this is all about ears. Now let's see the eyes. Eyes, eczema and eruption on the eyelids that are the moist and the raw fissure like cracks. The margin of lids are the cover with scaly crust. Now let's see the GIT. GIT is especially about the stool. They're having the chronic constipation, like stool is large and passes with difficulty, hard, knotty and lumpy, held together by threads of mucus, followed by the smarting soreness in the anus. Diarrhea, stool is brown, undigested, and has an intolerable offensive odor. Often follows the suppression of the skin eruption. Now let's see the female reproductive system. Menses are the scanty, pale, and the delay menses, but with a severe pain and with constipation. Leukorrhea. Discharge is acrid, irritating, and makes the skin raw, profuse, burning flow day and night, occurring the before and after menses. Breast looks like the hard nodules may remain in the breast after an abscess, which is retarded the flow of milk. Now let's see the keynotes of skin. Skin is very unhealthy. Every little injury separates from the pus. Key discharge, all skin condition have the characteristic discharge of the watery, transparent and sticky. Fissures, cracks and fissure appear at the end of finger, nipples, corners of mouth, all the genital areas and anus. Extremities, brittle, crumply, thin and deformed nails are the keynote. Now let's see the last part, modalities. Aggravation at the night during after menstruation and amelioration from warm drinks and open air. Thank you for watching.